Hey guys, Mr. MS here. So I'm going to put my beehive together. And this here, these are the two top parts and the bottom part, so I don't need those right this second. So I'll slide them out of the way. And all these things here, these are for the frames, so I don't need those right this second. These are for the frames too. The top boards for the frames. And that's the entrance reducer. And these are also for the frames. I think these are, these are for the medium frames, the Honey Super. Put them aside too. I need 4 boards that are the same. So 1, 2, and these ones are a little bit longer, but they're it's the same size board. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the Honey Super. Just check these ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's the brood chamber for the queen. So here's just a sec. So I just took the bottom board out just for reference here. And these are the 4 panels for the brood chamber. So I'm going to just set them where they go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm not sure, but I think they should just go together because they look like puzzle pieces. So it should be pretty easy. Just gotta make sure they're all right side up. And these ones have the groove on the inside. Let's see if I can show you that. Yeah, these ones have the groove on the inside to hold the frames that go inside of that. Start with one corner, I guess. Let's see how easy this is. And it's not really the easiest, so I'm gonna piece this together and I'll be right back. Alright, there's the brood chamber. I just set it on the bottom board, and it wasn't really that easy to figure it out, so I'll show you what I had to do on the brood chamber when I'm putting together the Honey Super. So there's 2 long boards. They go lengthwise. There's 2 short boards. The 2 short boards have the spot where you rest the frames on. I'll take one of these and one of the longer boards right here, and I'll show you how I have to put them together. And I thought I had to put them on one way or the other, but you gotta slide them in a certain way, and look, I just found the way, so if I can get that again. Oh, there. That's pretty well together. And here, just a second, I'm going to put the rest of this honey super together. And then once I'm done with that, I gotta put all the frames together and put them in place. So just a sec here. That's most of the hive together. The two chambers, the honey super and the brood chamber down below. And it's all sitting on the bottom board, and I just gotta build the frames and put them in place. And then put the tops on. So I'll do that, and yeah, just give me a sec. So I guess I'm not going to build the frames first, but I'm going to pre-drill some holes into the hive boxes so I can nail them together before I build the frames. And it says a certain amount, but I'm just going to put 4 screws in each corner. I gotta make sure they're all together. Yeah, okay. I'll put one hole here, I guess. And I'm just going to pre-drill 4 holes for each corner and put all the nails in, so I'll be back in a sec. There, I got all the corners nailed together, and I started working on the frames, and there's 4 frames ready, and these are the medium frames for the honey super, and I'm just setting them in there for now, because that's the brood chamber or whatever. So I'm just going to set up my tripod to show you how I'm making these. These here are the side panels for the frames. Like that part right there. And what I do with these is I just take some glue and just put some glue on them before I put it together. Here, just a sec. And I've just been taking this board, which is the top board or top bar, separating these and then piecing them in like that before I pre-drill the holes. And they go in there pretty snug, so it's a pretty good fit. And I get that together like that. I'm going to pre-drill a hole right in the center here. See if I can get it on camera for you. And since I'm working on this side already, I'm just going to put the nail in now. There. And they say that they say to use the pre-drilled holes just in case it splits the wood, which I got a feeling it probably would. I'll do this one here too. I guess I'm not very good with a hammer. There we go. And then I'm going to take the bottom board. I'll get the side panels and then I'll put glue on each end. And you don't even really need much glue. And then this is the bottom board, and it just fits right in place. And just make sure it's nice and tight. And do the same thing there. Pre-drill holes. Make sure it's right in the center. Sorry if I don't put that on camera. Put that nail in. Do it on the other side. And there's that. And these frames have the plastic foundations, and I just slide those in, basically. Put it in the groove in the top there. And then just kind of wedge it in there. Yeah, see, you hear the click? That's it clicking into place. Oh, perfect. So there's that. So I just got, I don't know, 16 more of these to build. And then basically I'm done of building my hive. Well, I'll show you my hive once it's done here, just a sec. So this is the brood chamber with all the 10 frames, and that's where the queen will be raising, or laying eggs and raising the young and everything. That's a pull a frame I'll show you. See, these are the deep frames, so they're a bit wider than the honey super. And this over here is the honey super. I'll show you one of the frames. See how much smaller the frame is? But that's where the bees store their honey. And here, I'm just gonna put everything together. The honey super goes on top of the brood chamber, and then the covers go on top of that. Just a sec. And here's what the hive looks like completed. I mean, there's only 2 boxes on there right now, and as I start keeping bees for longer, I'm probably gonna have 3 or 4 boxes on there with 10 frames each. But yeah, I don't really know what else to say. That's my Vivo Beehive completed. And be sure to leave this video a like and subscribe to stay tuned for more MS adventures. See you in the next one.